Your library has so many helpful resources. But how do you find the newest book in your favorite series or information for a project? It's easy with Destiny Discover. Let's see how you can find books, ebooks, online resources, and more in one quick search. On a school computer or tablet, you might access Destiny Discover from a link or shortcut. One way you can get to it no matter what is to go to destinydiscover.com. The first time, you'll need to choose your location and school. Don't forget to bookmark the page. You can start searching right away. But to read ebooks and access some other cool features, you need to log in. Each school's Destiny Discover homepage looks a little different. Yours might feature your library's digital collection, new and popular books, or categories such as graphic novels or mysteries. To do a quick search, click the magnifying glass, type a title, author, or topic in the search bar, and press Enter or Return. For a more specific search, click here to set your search options. Search results are split into 4 tabs. The Books tab shows the titles you can find on the library shelves, as well as ebooks, audiobooks, and more. Choose to look at results in List or Grid View. Collections are groups of web resources put together by people in your school district and sometimes by schools around the world. Go to websites to see a list of teacher-approved online resources. On the Databases tab, find online articles that are great for school projects. You can see lots of information right from the search results page. For books, it includes if it's available, and the call number to help you find it on the shelf. To learn even more, click on any title or cover. If you want to narrow down your search results, use the filters. For example, you can focus on books that are appropriate for your grade level. See how quick and easy it is to find resources? Let Destiny Discover be your one-stop shop.